Let me just say this, okay, honey? You could not tell me that I was not the baddest thing walking.
Bitch, I got my drip. Bitch, I got my swag. I'm a walking lick. Looking like a bag. I keep lots of guap. Keeps a lot of cash. Everything on froze. All my bitches bad. Bitch, I got my drip. Bitch, I got my swag. I'm a walking lick. Looking like a bag. I keep lots of guap.
What's up, y'all? It's Jasmine and I am back with another video. Obviously y'all want me to talk through videos, sis. I don't know why. I thought I'm gonna do what y'all want and I'm gonna get into this eyebrow tutorial. It's not moisturized. I don't like putting primer or anything on my brows before I do them. I know a lot of other people do. They say it stays in place, but for me, I don't like it. I don't like how my brows look with it. They look shiny. I don't know. Maybe I haven't tried the right primers, but I know it ain't for me. So I'm just taking a brush and brushing them out. They are clearly two different shapes. So when y'all do see in my videos that my brows are two different shapes, it's because they are literally two different shapes. I'm sure it's probably not the proper way to do it, but it's my face. Y'all, so every time I do my eyebrows, I just be so scared because I remember when I was in middle school, I used to freaking shave my brows like super thin. And y'all, let me just say this, okay, honey? You could not tell me that I was not the baddest thing walking. You could not tell me, okay? Put myself on blast, and I'm gonna insert a picture right here of what my brows used to look like. And sis, I thought it was it, okay? Just know I thought that was it. If you watch my videos, you probably seen that I do not always do my brows the same. Some days I use a pomade, some days I use a pencil. It depends on what kind of mood I'm in. It depends on what kind of look I'm going for. For my dollar store pencil that you can get from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, whatever, I feel like they're all made of the same thing, but that's just my opinion. I like to brush the front of my brows up first. And even like you see how my brows are not the same, like it's just underlining the bottom of my brow first. Basically on my hairline. I know people say right under it, but I think I practically do it on my hairline. But I usually like a short brow, which I need to stop because my face is fat. The longer your brows are, the more narrow it makes your face. The shorter they are, the fatter it makes your face. Don't know if that's true, but we're gonna go along with it. Well, long enough, because I hate brows that be down to your ears because it was not that serious. But take this. I think they say your brows supposed to come out like right here, but I ain't doing that. Oh, I might be doing that. It's probably gonna get cut off. We'll see. But okay, I'm gonna try to look up or remember to at least. A little bit above my natural line. I like a high arch. That's just my preference. I know a lot of people don't like it. That's what I like. So I am gonna go, you see technically my brow stops here. I'm gonna go all the way up here because that's what I like. I like how it frames my face. It's what I like. You don't have to do that. You can go straight across. You can do a tiny little bump in the road, whatever you want to do. Straight down. And I do like square brows. I've been trying to get into the round brows lately because I do like how they look on other people, but I just haven't done it right on me. Okay, so I am gonna lightly fill in. I do not fill in too much on this part because, like I said, my brows are technically kind of thick. They're really dense, so I don't have to. But look, you see how you can see the hair strokes in my brows? That's what I want. But like those sparse areas, like right here, I fill them in with a pencil. Especially the end. I always like the tail to be a lot darker. But that looks clumpy, so I'm gonna brush that out. But yeah. And I don't really put any product at the front. Just brush it out. And Don't start at the very beginning, sis, because you're gonna look like a block. A little pencil, and I go up a little bit, creating hair like strokes. You see how that look clumpy in the front? Brush it out. Brush it. But I do that in the beginning now, and I just feel like that looks better. I mean, I don't know what y'all over there thinking, but it's my opinion. I mean, I'm the one who gotta walk around with these brows, right? A point I'm about to make. I drew them and they do not match. They don't match. They're not going to match when I conceal them. They just don't match. Brows don't ever come out the same. So I'm going to take some LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. Flat brush. I got this brush off Amazon, y'all. I don't have any special brushes. All of my brushes pretty much are cheap and come from Amazon, in case y'all was wondering. I'm just gonna, okay, one thing I do I draw my brows on the line. I take it and I put it under it, because sometimes you can put too much concealer on there at first and then it gets on your brows. So it's best, in my opinion, to get some concealer on your brush, put it right under your brow, and drag it up. Okay? If that makes sense. Okay. Clean them up. I like a little curve at the bottom, y'all. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Okay. Drag it out. But I'm just gonna blend this concealer out. You can blend it with your fingers. It's a lot easier, but I'm not a finger girl. I used to be. But I just take a fluffy, very dense, fluffy brush. I don't take that and blend it. Blenish. 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 Okay. going to use black opal foundation, not walnut, on the top of my brows because we don't want that halo look, which probably don't look like my shade because it's not all blended out. But take it and you do the same thing. Like I said, I don't put it too low or on my brow because I don't want to get like a clumpy foundation line on my brow and then have to blend it out and have to take away some of my brow basically. So just clean up the top. Clean that out. Be careful though. There we go. And brush it forward with this how I do it, then up and out. Are your brows. Not too much. This is a nice little natural, in my opinion, natural, everyday type brow.